These are bad boys right here.
You see these? Brocade crown? What is a brocade? Is that a Chinese blockade?
Means kind of like a block. Didn't you see my destroyer?
No, I did not see a destroyer.
That's the ship.
That's a ship? That's one firework?
Yeah, it's one firework.
You just light it and it goes off. It's
The destroyer.
Goodness gracious. We have enough to arm a small country here.
You know, we're about to save these tomorrow. We're going to go fishing.
Hey! All you need is a net with that type of fishing.
Well, it's kind of murky water, you know.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah. New tactics.